Hello dear student, good afternoon to all. So today I am going to start our next topic, that is general properties of nitrogenous fertilizer. So last lecture we discussed on classification of nitrogenous fertilizer and sources of nitrogen. So before that 5 to 6 lecture we discuss on some compost, vermicomposting, green manures crop, FYM preparation method, compost preparation method, classification organic manures and their composition. Okay, so today I am going to start our general properties of the nitrogenous fertilizer. So last lecture we discussed on there have four forms of nitrogenous fertilizer, that is nitrate form, ammonium form, ammonium nitrate form and amide form. So let's start our first form, that is nitrate fertilizer or nitrate form. So nitrate fertilizer obtained from synthetically or naturally. So natural product is salt deposit and manufacturing product means synthetic form, that is synthetic ammonia. Then also nitrate fertilizer are quickly dissociated, means it is very quickly soluble in soil solution. Also it quickly releasing the nitrate ions. That's why nitrate fertilizer are often used for top dressing and broadcasting. Top dressing means it apply the fertilizer in standing crop, and also top dressing. Also nitrate fertilizer reaches quickly to root zone. Also it is very quickly absorbed by plant. Then even nitrate fertilizer broadcasted in the surface soil, the soil reaches the quick zone, means root zone quickly after application of soil surface. Also nitrate fertilizer most suitable in dry region, because in dry region it not easily leachable. That's why below 500 ppm rainfall it's suitable for nitrate fertilizer. Okay, then basic in residual effect on soil, that is if you want to reduce the soil acidity, that use sodium nitrate has a potential basically 29 kg of calcium carbonate used per 100 of fertilizer material. Means if you use 100 kg of sodium nitrate and it increase the soil acidity, that time you have to reduce that soil acidity, you use the calcium carbonate about 29 kg for reducing the soil acidity, means it use the neutralize the soil solution. These are the some properties of nitrate fertilizer. Then see next property, ammonium fertilizer. So ammonium fertilizer obtained either as a byproduct of coal industry and synthetic ammonium plant. Also it is produced by combining hydrogen and nitrogen ions, okay, from the air. Also this is ammonium fertilizer are quickly soluble in water. Also they are less rapidly utilized by the growing plant than nitrate. Also paddy is exceptional and prefer the ammonia form of nitrogen in the early stage. In paddy and potato use the ammonium fertilizers only, because it not suitable nitrate fertilizer. Then also ammonium fertilizer resistant to loss by leaching of ammonium ions. It readily absorb on the colloidal complex of the soil. That's why as compared to nitrate fertilizer, ammonium fertilizer is resist to leach down. Then in acidic residual effect in soil, for example 100 kg of ammonium sulfate used that sodium, it produce the soil acidity. That time 110 kg of calcium carbonate to use or neutralize the soil solution. Then it may be used for the basal application and top dressing. That is general characteristics of ammonium fertilizer. Then see third, that is combination of nitrate and ammonium fertilizer. So these are the nitrate present in the both ammonical and nitrate form, nitrogen, that is readily soluble. Those form are readily soluble in water. Also it is suitable under wide variety of soil and cropping conditions. As well as the nitrogen readily available to plant for rapid growth, and ammonium nitrate resist leaching losses and it can be utilized by the plant on later stage. Also these nitrate and ammonium fertilizer used there residual effect on the soil. That example, like application of 100 kg of ammonium nitrate produce acidity, it required 60 kg calcium carbonate to neutralize the soil solution. Also it is used for top dressing and side dressing, also basal application. Then see last form of nitrogen phosphate, that is amide, an important form. Its example is only urea. So urea contains 46% nitrogen, and that material are carbon compound is present, also technically classified as organic fertilizer. Then second property, that is amide fertilizer readily soluble in water, also it is easily decomposed by microorganisms in the soil. Also amide fertilizer are quickly changed into ammonical nitrogen and then to nitrate form. Means after application of amide fertilizer in soil, means urea application, that changed into ammonical nitrogen and then into changed into nitrate form with the help of some bacteria. Okay, then leaching loss is very less because once amide is converted into ammonical form, it is absorbed by soil colloids or it is slowly released as a nitrate. That's why it is leaching losses is very less. Then urea is also less acidic compared to ammonium sulfate. Also, since application of 100 kg of urea produce acidity which require 80 kg calcium carbonate to neutralize the soil acidity. So these are some properties of amide fertilizer. Okay, then see the next point, that is manufacturing process and manufacturing process of nitrogenous fertilizer. So total 8 types of nitrogenous fertilizer, mainly that is ammonium sulfate. Okay, ammonium sulfate contain 20 to 21% nitrogen, 20.6 to 21% nitrogen approximately, and 21% also sulfur. Urea contains 46% nitrogen. Third nitrogenous fertilizer, that is sodium nitrate, contains 16% nitrogen. Fourth, that is ammonium chloride, contains 26% nitrogen. Fifth, calcium ammonium nitrate, means CAN, that is 25 to 28% nitrogen. Ammonium sulfate nitrate, ASN, contains 73% nitrogen, in that 27% in only nitrate form. Then ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, contains 33 to 34% nitrogen. And last, cyanamide, also known as nitrolim and calcium cyanamide, contain 20.6% nitrogen. These are some examples of nitrogenous fertilizer with their composition, means their nutrient of nitrogenous content. So today we will discuss in one by one their manufacturing process. That first is ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate contain 20 to 21% nitrogen in crystalline salt. Also it is stable and soluble in water. Also it store well, means its physical condition is very well. Also ammonium sulfate is quickly acting fertilizer. It absorbs in the soil colloids, also clay and humus, by replacing calcium, and thus it is resistant to leaching down. These some properties. Then see first manufacturing process in India, that is gypsum and byproduct of coal industry. So in gypsum, the main raw material required in the gypsum process, that is ammonia. That ammonia pulverized calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. Then in briefly, that consists of making ammonia by synthesis of nitrogen hydrogen that form ammonium carbonate reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide gas. So see the reactions, the hydrogen and nitrogen. Okay, see the hydrogen and nitrogen form ammonia, and that ammonia reacted with water and carbon dioxide form ammonium carbonate and water. And that ammonium carbon reacted with gypsum, that is chemical formula of gypsum, and form ammonium sulfate and calcium carbonate is the byproduct. This is the first manufacturing process of ammonium sulfate, that form ammonium sulfate, okay, and byproduct calcium carbonate. This is first manufacturing process. Then second, ammonium formed by product of coal and steel industry. In that ammonium sulfate contain coal and steel industry only 1% nitrogen, that contain average 1% nitrogen. When coal is distilled in closed ovens, a portion of nitrogen is volatilized as ammonia, and that ammonium salt are retained in the wash water. Also slaked lime means ammonium liquid is added to this, also which is then distilled and the ammonia produced is absorbed in sulfuric acid, and ammonia and sulfuric acid combine to give ammonium sulfate. So see the reaction, that coal and ammonium gas with water, it form ammonium carbonate and carbon dioxide. That ammonium carbonate